The Spanish Ministry of Defense on August 22, 2023 has been authorized to initiate a contract worth almost €2 billion. The contract was for the purchase of 400 new multipurpose armored vehicles VAC, Vehículo de Apoyo de Cadenas, for the Spanish Army. Procurement of 400 VAC units in various configurations to replace the M133 TOA, Transporte Oruga Acorazado, combat vehicles. The contract is expected to be awarded in the coming months to the Spanish consortium, Tess Defense. The consortium consists of defense companies Santa Bárbara Sistemas, Indra, Sapa Placencia, and Escribano, which is also responsible for the Dragón 8x8 VCR program. The new domestically made Ranpur will replace the aging US-made TOA M113 armored vehicle. VAC is based on the Ascod platform. The VAC offers a high level of protection against mines, IEDs, improvised explosive devices, and certain caliber projectiles. The vehicle will be available in various versions, including command post, personnel transport, mortar carrier, anti-tank, ambulance, recovery and cargo. The new vehicle will improve the mobility, protection and firepower capabilities of the Spanish Army. According to the plan, the transition from TOA M113 to VAC will be carried out in stages, ending in 2035.